I'm Dr. R. Devi, Assistant Professor and Head, Department of Business Administration, KCS Kasinadar College of Arts and Science. In this video, let us see the chapter Media Planning. The topic covered in this video are media planning, meaning factors affecting media planning and importance of media planning. First, we'll see what is mean by media planning. Media planning is the decisions involved in delivering the promotional message in the most effective manner to the largest number of potential customers at lowest cost. It helps the advertiser to determine the best way to deliver its message to its target audience. Next, let us see factors affecting media planning. First one, nature of product. Product to be advertised can be industrial product or consumer product. Industrial products can better be advertised in specific trade journals or magazines. Consumer products can be better advertised through mass media such as television, newspaper, outdoor advertising, etc. Similarly, products for farmers like fertilizers, seeds, etc. can be advertised in TV, radio, wall painting, etc. Next, nature of customers. An appropriate media plan must consider the type of consumers for whom advertising to be done. Different consumers differ in their age group, gender, income, personality, educational level, attitude, etc. Next, distribution of product. If the product is to be distributed locally or regionally, then media with local coverage and reach should be considered like local newspapers, cable network, etc. If product is distributed on national level, then media with national coverage like national dailies, national level TV channels will be suitable. If the product is to be sold at international level, then media buying reach and circulation in foreign countries will be effective. Example, internet magazines with circulation in foreign countries, TV channels having international coverage like BBC, CNN should be considered. Next, advertising objectives. If the objectives of advertising combine or to get immediate result, then fast media of communication like newspapers, banners, pamphlets will be considered. If the objective of advertising is to build corporate goodwill and the brand equity, then magazines, television, neon signboards will be considered. Next, nature of message. If advertising message is informative nature, then newspaper will be suitable. If advertising message is to persuade consumers and potential consumers need to be given emotional appeal, rational appeal, demonstration of product, then television media will be suitable for advertising. If advertising message is to inform the potential customers of sale promotion schemes, discount offers, exchange offers, then it can be advertised through posters, banners, newspapers, etc. Next, size of advertising budget. If amount of advertising budget is more, then costly media like television, national dialysis can be selected. If amount of advertising budget is less, then low cost media like posters, banners, cable network, local newspaper, pamphlets will be suitable. Next, media used by competitors. While planning for media, the advertisers must consider the media used by competitors of that industry. If advertiser does not consider competitors regarding media, then it is possible that advertisers market share is taken by competition. However, competitor strategy should not be followed blindly, as it is possible that decision of competitor is wrong. Next, media availability. Sometimes it is possible that desired space for advertisements in print media is already booked by some other advertisers. For example, advertisers wants to issue an advertisement on front page of newspaper or any other magazine, but this space already booked by some other advertisers, then this media is not available. So the advertisers will have to plan for some other media, or he'll have to change the timing of advertisements. Last one, media reach and coverage. Media should be selected and has wide reach and can cover our target customers. If the advertisers has two available media involving same cost, then media with more reach and coverage of our target audience will be selected. This is the factors affecting media planning. Next, let us see the importance of media planning. Media planning helps the advertiser in selecting most appropriate media mix, and in selecting time and space in various media so that available resources can be utilized in an optimum manner. The importance of media planning, or first one, optimum utilization of resources. In media planning, such combination of media is selected and such time is selected that helps the advertiser in communicating the advertising message to largest number of target audience at lowest possible cost. Second one, helps in achieving advertising objectives. Media planning includes all such decisions like selecting appropriate media mix, and deciding the scheduling of advertisements. All these decisions help the organization in achieving organizational goals, that is to communicate the message to target audience. Next, selection of appropriate media. In media planning, different media are compared on the basis of cost per reader, cost per viewer, media image, media coverage, media rating, etc. While selecting media, the advertisers ensures that selected media matches with the features of target audience. For example, if our target audience are teenagers, then television will be appropriate media. If target audience are literate, then print media can be selected. If target audience is a specific professional group, then professional journals and magazines will be appropriate media. Next, selection of optimum media mix. Media planning helps to select optimum media mix. Using different media combination ensures wide and intensive coverage of target audience. It improves the chances of achieving organizational advertising objectives. A well planned media mix ensures wide coverage of target audience at minimum cost. Next, helps in allocating advertising budget. Media planning helps to decide the amount to be spent on different media. It decides the optimum media mix. This helps the advertising manager in allocating the total advertising budget on different media in a scientific manner. Next, ensure appropriate timing of advertising. Media planning includes media scheduling, that is, it decides the time and space of advertising in media. It decides the month, day, and time of advertisement. It ensures that advertisement is shown more frequently in seasonal months and less frequently in off season months. For example, if advertisement is for school going kids, it is not shown in the morning or before noon time. Last one, helps in controlling. In media plan, some standards of performance are fixed. These standards are with regard to coverage of target audience. Such standards help the management in evaluating the effectiveness of media, that is actual coverage is in accordance with the standard or not. If coverage is less than standard, then it points to the inefficiency of media. Thus, media planning helps in exercising control over media. So, meaning factors affecting media planning and importance of media planning are seen in this video. Thank you.